Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off notification setting in Bleach Brave Souls account. First of all, launch your Bleach Brave Souls game on your device and make sure you are on the main screen before moving on. Now tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, click on the options button. Go to notification panel from the top and then go ahead and toggle off the button right next to all push notifications if you want to turn off all the notification settings for your game. After you toggle off the notification option, this will stop all game alerts like event reminders, friend requests, and special announcement. And just like that, you have successfully turned off push notification on your Bleach Brave Souls game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.